All right, should be recording. Shouldn't take long. Just gotta get everything off. Come on, which way? There we go. There we go. Loosen this bad boy up. We actually should get out our torque set. I think it's here somewhere. Okay, other side maybe? I don't know if there's one in there. It's right there. The other side apparently. I just didn't see it. And nothing else matters. Okay, we got that, we got that. Now, this is not the tire we've been having problems with, but we're changing it anyway. And nothing else matters. We're going to use the same tube. Okay, so need to find the direction. Never care for what they do. Where's the arrows? There it is, rotation. Right there. Kind of hard to see, you probably won't even be able to see it, but there's a marking right there for the rotation going that way. Which makes sense because that's the way the tire rolls. So when we break these out, which I'll go ahead and get out, and find the rotation on this one. But first, we take this one off. This off. Hopefully you can see. You guys seen me change tire before. One is nice, something sweet. We're going to check the rims while we're at it. I don't think the problem's the rim, but you never know. Pinch it into the middle. All the way around. Get that extra space. Something there. Is that just a balled up tube? I need to check that out. I'm hoping to run this tube in here again. Be careful what they do, oh, and I know. Alright, that's off. Take the tube out. Yeah, it's just a little bit balled up in there. It's a slightly larger tube. Yeah, hold on. This tube should be good still. No issues out of it. And now we get the stem out. Come out, baby. There we go. Keep that there. Pull this off the rest of the way. And direction that way. Okay. This doesn't seem bad, but whatever. We're gonna get rid of her. Now we need to find the direction on this one, which I think is this way. Yep, there's the rotation arrow right there. Probably can't see it, but oh, real quick. Ram tape looks good, everything looks good so far. Pardon me. DT Swiss did a really good job putting tape on it. Kind of wondering. I don't know. Okay. Still find the rotation. Where's it at? There it is. Okay, we are on the right side. Get it around the rim. Okay, half of it's on. I'm gonna keep checking the rotation because I freak out that I get it on wrong. Oh. There it is. The right way. Okay, now to put the tube in. Okay, first off, we're gonna spin this so that lines up with the hole. I did not do that. Damn it. It's a dumb thing to do. It's not necessary, but it just bugs you if you don't have it lined up with the hole. Of course, I overshot it this time. Yep, wrong way, Riri. There we go. I love this thing. This is amazing. Okay, so now, come on, baby. I mean, it's close enough, but there we go. Getting there. One more small pull, and we're lined up. So that's where the stem's going to be. We're going to match that up with that, give or take. Still freaking out about the rotation. Give me a second. There we are. Okay. So get all that junk out of there, whatever that's about. Okay, so now we insert this, put our nut on there, not all the way. I'm going to tuck this in all the way around. Try not to pinch it and twist it. Somebody texted me. Okay, that is all in there-ish. Give it a little squeeze. Okay. Don't like the way that's not lining up very good. So we're gonna squeeze that in a little bit just to hold her in place. Let some more air out because apparently there's some in there. Okay, we're going to get this on here, scoot her around, get her on there. Come on, baby. Thing is tight. Brand new tires are always tight. There we go. There we go. Drop the tool again. That's okay. Now we get to inflate it to 85 PSI. Tighten that most of the way. Give it some wiggle room. This doesn't look odd or anything, does it? Okay, 85 PSI, here we come. Already at 33. So we ain't got nothing sticking out here. Looking good. Pull this earphone off so we can hear whether or not she pops. Oh, this thing's dying. I've only used it a bunch today. Charge this. this here. Haven't heard any popping yet. It's 85. Take this off, check her out. Tighten this all the way up. Looks like the bead popped. I just didn't hear it. Put this on. Inspector. That doesn't seem to be tightening up very well. It's on there though, so there we go. Okay, give her a once over, make sure the bead's fine all the way around. Both sides, put her back on. It's tire number 1. She's looking good. Perfect. All right. Come on. There we go. Through. What? 10. Okay, 10. Yeah, tighten her to 10. We will. Okay. Put this bad boy out. 10. Right there. Okay. That one's done. On number 2. This is always going to be fun. Shit. Okay. All right. Nope, don't fall yet. This is gonna get greasy. Let me see. I mean, letting air out of it. Come on down, baby. Drop down. Send out. She got a little bit of air in her, but not much. We're getting rid of this tube anyway. Not much longer, we'll be done. Excuse me. I don't know what that was about. Okay, we're going to inspect this really well when we pull this out. Because I don't know where it's getting caught. Nothing there that my eyes can see anyway. Didn't even think that would be the spot that would be gotten. Okay, well, no matters. I'm not seeing anything with the rims. There's some chips, but nothing major. Oh, that right there could not be good. Yeah, I bet you that's it right there, fucking it up. Ooh, I don't know. Can't really see, but that spot right there, I'm gonna have to wait. I don't know what would have caused that. I bet you that's it. I bet you that's it. I am going to have to get something to cover that up. And I might just have the exact thing to do it with. So, give me just a minute. We're going to throw that down here. I almost wonder, can I see a worn spot? I don't see anything necessarily, but we're going to get something to cover it up. Give me a second. cannot find what I want. So we're gonna call it a day. I'm gonna look for it, and you'll just have to imagine me putting the tire back together. So we will figure it out. I'll hit the Pointer Brothers up tomorrow. Maybe they have some rim tape for me, or I can find what I originally wanted to find and go from there. So we will see y'all later. Real quick, since you may have not gotten a close-up of it, if I can, you see that little ding right there? If it'll focus on it. That right there might be doing it. That's just literally right by the stem hole. So that right there, I think, might be our issue. I don't know if it'll focus. Anyway, you all get the point. There's something wrong with the rim, I think. We'll figure it out. Better now than in Mississippi. Oops.